Welcome to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to fix the GRUB bootloader in Windows 11 so you can dual boot Windows and Linux. First, open Disk Management in Windows to check your drives. You will see your main Windows drive and the partition where Linux is installed. Then open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type bcd edit /enum firmware to view the EFI boot entries. Here you will see entries for Windows and other devices, but there is no entry for Linux. We will add it. To begin, boot your computer using a Linux installation USB. I am using an Ubuntu ISO. On the first screen, choose to try Linux without installing. Once the desktop loads, open a terminal. Switch to root by typing sudo su. Check your partition structure with fdisk-l. Identify your EFI partition, Windows partition, and Linux partition. Then mount the EFI partition and Linux root partition under the mount directory. Also, mount the system directories like dev, proc, and sys inside .mount. Next, enter a chroot environment by running chroot @mount. Now we are ready to install GRUB. Run grub install dev.sda to install GRUB to the main drive. If you see a warning about EFI variables, make sure the EFI partition is mounted and try again. Once GRUB is installed, update it by running update GRUB. You should see that it detects both Linux and Windows. It also adds an entry for the EFI firmware settings. Exit the chroot and reboot your computer. When the system starts, you should see the GRUB menu with options for Linux and Windows. Test both entries to make sure they boot correctly. Thanks for watching.